Welcome everyone. It's Sacksteaders and we're going to show you our beautiful fall pieces that Nikki and Jackie have made. All the different blue tones. We have different swags like this that you can accent with inside or outside for beautiful wreaths, same way. Come on in. Get out of that heat. There's a beautiful dining room table arrangement. It has a lot of different components to it. Again, there's this highlighting of the blue. Even if you don't have blue, we don't have all fall colors inside of our home. Fall's about the family and school started back up. It's going to cool down a little bit and then we're all going to enjoy from Halloween to Thanksgiving and then we move on into Christmas. So Halloween and Thanksgiving, family fun, and we have different ways that you can decorate your home for those occasions. This one's for all year round, but it just takes on its own look. Little pussy willows in it. It's real cute. We have different pieces that we show and try to teach you how to accent. A lot of people do have different bookcases in their home. You can leave the products and the accessories that you already have in your bookcases, and you can add different things to bring in that fall element. This is just a cute little, we call them little lay-arounds, and this one is $44.99. Pretty bows, mixed combination of those colors. And as you can see, if you were just looking here, when I add this to it, it just brings it all together. So of all the different softness that you can see. And you know, and we haven't changed our furniture for the fall. We just changed our different floral pieces. There's another one with all the vibrant colors. I think it's going to be a great fall this year. The leaves are supposed to be beautiful. And so you can bring that inside your home, or you can be a little more neutral base, as you can see with this beautiful one back here. There's different pine cones in it. I don't know if you've been out in the yard, or different pine cones have fallen. And then they'll all start to open up, and just the little neutral colors like this. Nice Spanish ball here. So we just try to share different things. We have a lot of different candles, a lot of sprays throughout the fall season, going again into Christmas. You know, the thing with your home, you have to remember with us girls especially, we'll change our outfits, which this is just still my summer outfit because it's 90 degrees out there. But we change those, just like our beautiful purses from Myra bags. We have different shawls. Just adding those fall tone colors. So we want to teach you how to move forward into your home to bring that same feeling. But if you're looking for something to spice up your life a little bit, we have a lot of different fall pieces. Camouflage is a big deal this year, so if you feel like you want to hide in the leaves, come out and see what we have. Beautiful arrangement. Again, all the neutral colors mixed in with that. So I would like to invite you to come out to Sacksteaders for the fall, see what's going on. We have a couple parties planned. They're both on Thursday nights in September. If you're not on my email list, you need to get on it, or it's on my website or our Facebook. And it's just called Fall Y'all. And come out and see what we have going on and just fall in love with Sacksteaders Interiors. See you soon.